Hello, guys. We are back after. My voice is also back after quite a few days, maybe 2 weeks. I guess 2 weeks. So, this is our first target punching bag. I'm sorry for calling these punching bags, but we're going to talk about Thovan. Thovan. I don't know how it is pronounced, but yeah. So, let's start off with a simple, through lob. And through lob powers are lesser, so 140 HP does not affect it as much. So Thovan already got a chance. Good one. Could have gone for a basic this time, but yeah, let's leave it. Let's leave it all together. Nesta positioned himself really well. I did not expect him to do that. I really did not expect. I thought there would be a gap, and this is so satisfactory. Like no roulette, nothing, no skills. Just come in, power up the finesse, and release it. It's so satisfying to watch. I cannot explain it in words. So satisfying, man. This is Ronaldo doing Ronaldo things, of course. He won't bully, who won't get bullied by that guy, of all people. No, of course not. And this is a really powerful shot. I guess my other right wingers lack those kind of powered shots, which thankfully Thovan has. And again, another lobbed through, goes in, blah, 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 blah. Thovan again, finesse to power, it goes in. Nice. He's really fun to move around with, Thovan. When you're not sprinting, the feeling of control is insane. It really is insane. And this is our typical trademark finesse. Oh, I missed those, man. And this is Nesta moving at the last moment. Should have been a goal for Hazard. Either header or a volley. But did not happen, so let's not talk about it. And again, Thovan just so smoothly, swiftly cutting, wow. That is aesthetically wonderful, man. That's wonderful. But of course, he has drawbacks. He has drawbacks. We'll see in the next match. Zidane getting a few chances here. Uh, and yeah, I should have waited a little bit more. GK was very well positioned to save that. Happens at times. It happens all the time. This we are not going to talk about. No, no. End it. End it out here. Yes. So now on to our next punching bag, and now for a +4 disadvantage and a Van Bissaka, which he's still the I guess for me he's the best RB in the game still. Who's Alexander Arnold in this game? No one. It's all about him. So a basic through ball to finesse, and then people say Ronaldo can't finish. Oh no, of course he can't. No, no, he can't. Beating Cannavaro is a but goalkeeper was very well positioned and should have gone for a direct shot instead of a finesse there. And we convert a corner. Wow, we are doing it. I'm doing it quite for a few days. Small lob, and then Ronaldo with his all physicality beats that overhyped defender. Uh, yeah, this is something he's not good at all. Crossing. It kind of went away from Zidane. Best did better. This one worked because there was a lot of space and yeah, there was a lot of time as well. And again, I don't know what happened here. It just overshot the receiver. So a simple striker chances, nothing to talk about here. And now we're gonna cross a bit to finesse. I love these chances. They are aesthetically really good. And saves time as well. That's the second point. And this is the show off. I would not recommend trying it. And watch this, guys. Just watch this. This is what I was talking about. Control while not sprinting. This is one of my best conversions ever. Man, really. And again, another cross to finesse. Gold. Gold standard conversions. I love these. Lot of Thovan, lot of Thovan. Oh, look at that finesse. That's a thing of beauty. I do not have to rule it or skill move too much. I thought I would go for a shot, but Wan Bissaka kind of came in out of nowhere, and I could not perceive the distance there from there. Happens at times, and it's a basic Hazard chance. Hazard again, goalkeeper is distracted, so it's an easy shot for whoever is receiving the pass. Keep in mind that, guys, please. And we're going to end it off with yeah, this.